Hello everyone. In this session we are studying about the for loop. We have already seen the while and do while. So now we'll go for the for loop, which is very easy and normally. Why? Because in the for loop we can initialize the variable. We can give the condition there by separating it with semicolon, and we can do the increment at one line. So this is the initialization of variable, this is the condition of the variable, and this is the increment and decrement of the variable, which we have to separate with the semicolon. So for every iteration it will not perform the initialization. It will at once only it will do the initialization. After that it will check the condition, it will increment the variable. So very simple. If I want to display the sum of first 10 numbers, just for an example, then I can write like this. You already have seen the assignment operator. So we can write like this. Sum of first 10 numbers. This we can display. So how it will execute? Initially it is 0 is less than 10. Yes, so it will come here. We'll add the 0 into the 0. So final result will be 0 only. And here it will just do the printing work. So here we can see the result. So why it is giving 45? Because I have given less than. Instead of this we can use the less than equal to. So it will calculate that sum till 10. Okay. So this is, we can say, a simple for loop. But what if I don't have any initialization or increment? If I just have the condition, in that case we can write the loop where I just can give the condition. We'll do the refactor. Class name should start with capital letter. Okay. Now, for example, if I want to do the sum of digits, then, or if I want to check that is the number is palindrome or not, in that case what we can do? The logic which you have to think, I am just, this program you can solve in many ways, so I'm telling you one way. So initially if I want to do the reverse, if I want to check is the digit is palindrome or not, or the sum of digits, in that case first we'll accept the number, then for. Now I don't have any initialization and any increment decrement. But yes, I want to execute this loop till the number is greater than 0. So sum plus equal to num mod 10. This is giving me one digit, and num is equal to num divided by 10. That's it. So I can write the loop like this also. So if I enter the input 1, 2, 3, the expected output is 6. Okay, so it's correct. So I can write the loop where I can just give the condition. I can write the loop where I just have the initialization. But yes, remember that we have to separate this with the semicolon, because the first block is for initialization, second is for condition, and third is for the increment and decrement. Now, if I want to increment or decrement the two variables at the same time, so that also we can do. So how we can do that? For example, I and j, we can say here I want to condition, I can give only one. Okay, so I can write the loop like this. I'm initializing the two variables, I'm incrementing and decrementing the two variables, but I can give only one condition, that can be on I or that can be on j. But this initialization we have to separate with the comma, not with the semicolon. Same for the increment decrement also. We have to separate this with the comma, not with the semicolon. This is just for an example, like I'll perform I plus j equal to I plus j. If I execute this, just at the same time the I is incrementing and j is decrementing. So addition every time will become 10. This is just for an example. So we can do like this. We can initialize more than one variables, and we can do the increment decrement of more than one variables. If you have any doubt, you can post it in a comment.